Waterdrop 10 UA Undersink Water Filter System. Okay, first up, the Waterdrop 10 UA Undersink Filter, WD-10 UA. This little canister is marketed as a compact under-counter system that reduces PFAS, PFOA, lead, chlorine, bad taste and odor and, importantly, carries IAPMO, NSF, ANSI certifications for things like chlorine and material safety. On the product page, Waterdrop lists an 8,000-gallon 12-month service life for the cartridge, a 2.5 GPM max flow and compatibility with standard 3/8 or 1/2 feed valves. Replacement is the WD-RF10 cartridge. S-Lite price can vary depending on seller and prime deals, so check the listing for the current price at the moment you click. I linked the page so you can confirm. From the user side, the reviews trend very positively for everyday kitchen use. People praise how fast and easy the twist and lock install is. Waterdrop advertises 3 minutes installation and fast cartridge swaps, and many buyers note a clear improvement in taste and reduction in chlorine smell compared with straight tap water. A handful of reviews, which I always pay special attention to, mention compatibility caveats. Some faucets need an adapter, and that this model is built for municipal water, not raw well water, unless you add pre-filtration. If you're the kind of person who wants quick install, decent flow, and an NSF-backed reduction for common contaminants, this is a strong budget-friendly undersink option. So, my pros and cons: camera-friendly version pros, compact footprint, certified reductions for PFAS, lead, chlorine, long cartridge life claims, 8K gallons, easy twist-off replacements and a consistent grab-and-go install for renters or quick upgrades. Cons: price and seller variation on. Check the live page. It's not meant for untreated well water without pre-filtration, and a few users report needing faucet adapters or extra fittings. Overall verdict: great everyday undersink filter for most households. And yes, we share buy links in description box so you can see the live price.